The components stack is very handy and makes geometry generation extremely simple. But it lacks some features of imported 3D geometry, per volume materials, volume hiding, and the 3D outliner. In Mold Simulator, we can convert the components stack to regular 3D geometry as if imported from a file. We just need to click this button and choose whether to group volumes by material or not. As you can see, we now have all the geometry available in the Materials tab. Note that volumes have not been grouped by material. Now let's try grouping volumes. Volumes have been grouped by material. Boundary properties have been imported as well, and the model is ready for simulation. We can also go back to our components stack and change some of its parameters. Let's fix boundary conditions. And convert it again to 3D geometry.